Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the settings area where battery info lives. This ensures you get precise numbers rather than guesses. Once done, identify your device model because menus differ between iOS, Android, and Windows. Make sure to follow the right path. Now tap Battery or Battery Health and look for a percentage toggle or detailed consumption chart. Enabling that toggle gives you an on-screen percent. These steps get you from 0 to an exact reading quickly and reliably. Next, enable detailed readings so you understand how that percent changes. You should toggle battery percentage or add the battery widget. This displays a real-time number. Then open the usage chart to see which apps cause drops and view percentages over 24 hours or 7 days, making it clear why numbers fall. Also run built-in diagnostics when available. Because the OS uses calibrated sensors, avoid third-party apps that estimate and can mislead you. To finish, calibrate and confirm accuracy. Charge to 100%, then discharge to about 5% one time to help the sensor. Make sure to restart or update the OS if percentages jump or freeze, because software bugs often cause wrong readings. If problems persist, check battery health percent. Low capacity can make the percentage unreliable and consider replacement. One troubleshooting tip: if numbers behave erratically after updates, boot into safe mode or diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.